Hello, everyone. Today's golden nugget for gut health is the power of visualization. So, I myself have been using this, and it's helping me so much to be able to change my negative habits that I want to change. So, I'm sharing it with you so that you can use it as well. I'm basically doing a visualization practice with myself where I close my eyes and imagine myself engaging in that behavior that I don't want. For example, getting into a bag of popcorn and eating it uncontrollably. After that, I imagine myself doing what I do want, which is pausing and sensing into my feelings and deciding, no, I'm not going to delve into this popcorn. And the power of the visualization is actually helping me and has helped me a lot in the past in changing the behavior. So just because I pictured it, then I'm less likely in a future incidence when I maybe want to eat something uncontrollably to have that pause and to actually not do it. It takes a lot of practice, but it's an awesome thing to do. It's working for me, working for my clients. So I wanted to share it with you. The health seeker in me honors the health seeker in you. Namaste, everybody.